So in this video, I will show you how to make use of the Excel import functionality in Ongoing. So if you go to registers and then import, you will see these are the different types of data that you can import using an Excel import. These different pages might look a bit different. We are going to import some article data using one, our Excel template, and two, another file which is not using our Excel template but has some rows and columns that we will make use of. So we are already at this page, and here we have 4 different templates. We're just going to use the Excel one. We're going to use this one that have a selected view of columns, and this one has all fields available to populate an article with data. So let's click on the Excel template, we download it, and then we open it. And here we see different columns to fill in, and we're gonna have a screw, and this is going to have article number 1, 2, 3, and then we're gonna have a screw driver with article number 1, 2, 4. And then you don't have to fill out all of these fields. Let's put in number of items, 100 screws and 50 screwdrivers. And let's not put a location. We don't have to use this at all, but let's do this. We don't have to put anything else in if we don't want to. I'll do something just to show you that what happens if we put in something that probably shouldn't be there, such as a letter where there probably should be a number. And I'll show you what happens when we import that. Now I'm saving the file, and let's upload it in Ongoing. And we're also gonna receive some goods here. So I will check this box, and we have to give it a default location to receive goods on. We also had in the Excel file opportunity to directly put some goods in a location that we know exist. So I'll put A1 here. And then we can choose which of these columns to identify the article on, and I'm going to use article number. And this should generally be checked. If an article does not exist, create it. And then we're going to choose file, and here we have the template. And now you see that the system already finds the article number and finds the article name, and then the count. And so in this case, here is where it goes wrong. So you can either just skip importing that column, then you click delete, or you can go in the file and you know that something is wrong, so you can go in to the file, update what's wrong, and then re-upload. Save it and then re-upload the file. But we're just simply gonna press delete. And then we're gonna click import. And now we have already gotten our articles. So let's see that. We go to warehouse articles, and we have 2 articles in here, and we have the count. We can also see in the warehouse map that they are located on position A1. Now let's also upload a file with that is not using our Excel template. So go to registers and then import and articles. And I'm going to choose a file here. And we also, let's put these articles in some location, because we also have count for this file. So we take this one and we get a lot of red directly. So then we have to fix these errors, and we want to choose article number here, because this is what I had before. And I did not specify a default location. So let's put A2. And I do want to identify article number. So let's do that again. And product ID, in my case, it says product ID for this Excel file that I'm trying to upload. So let's choose article number. It's still red. It's because we have these question marks. And you can, I'll show you just briefly how this file looks. Here, this is what we have in this file. So we have some product ID, some generic name, category, price, and stock. So we have to find the corresponding columns in ongoing. So here, category, we could choose, let's see, where do we have that article group? I think is good choice. And then price, it automatically finds the column price. And then stock, I think the equivalent here in ongoing is count. Let's see where that is. Here we have it, article item count. And now everything will turn green. The import is good to go. So we click import. And we have imported our articles. Let's see if that is the case. So go to warehouse articles, and we see that we have a bunch of new article data in here. Wireless headphones, Bluetooth speakers, and we also have the count. And we can go and check in the warehouse map where they are located. So the first import I positioned at a stock location A1 and the second one on A2. So if I click this, you will see these different articles that they have. So that is how you can use the Excel import in ongoing. And yeah, it's the same principles for any kind of data that you will import here. Thank you very much.